Hi everybody, this is Sophia Little. Hope you guys are having a nice holiday. I want to share with you the things that I got from Sanrio's website on Black Friday. I did spend quite a lot, but these are things I've been wanting for a while, especially this cute little case. I am myself a big Karopi fan, as well as my husband. So I found out it was like around up to 40% off, so I had to get it. Very vintage looking. We have Karopi here with his little friends. He's in 3 different spots, and it's a clear, you can see right through it. There he is, full of froggy fun, enough for everyone. This is like old school when I was growing up. This is something I would see in the Sanrio stores. I miss that so much, going to the Sanrio store in the mall and just picking out whatever I want anytime I want because it was there. Now they're in the LA area. I live in California and the only ones open are in LA. We do have one in Cupertino, but it's not the same. It's really not. So it's very small and crowded and expensive. Okay, this case I've been wanting for a while too. It's Pachaco. And it says, where there is fun and adventure, you'll find him. And it's clear with glitter. And I have more goodies in here. I have a Miniverse, Sanrio and Friends. Got a couple more blind boxes that came from Japan. I have the Hello Kitty and Tokidoki collab. And here's a My Melody blind box. It's just a little clear box that I just want to keep maybe my remints. Here's the rest of the container. This is probably around originally like $12 and I got it for like 50% off. Yeah. Love. I'm so glad I finally have it. I love Pachaco. I love the Sanrio boys. I gotta represent them. All right, and on to this magnificent collection. Again, this is from the Netflix My Melody and Kuromi collab, and I got My Melody's house. This was quite expensive, so I couldn't get Kuromi right now. But I got My Melody. So let me take off the plastic and we'll show you what else is inside. Okay, so I took off the plastic. There's the roof, it has her ears. There's a little figure of My Melody, her bed. All little inside goodies. A swing. This is how it's supposed to look like. You have some backdrops here, 2 different options. Here's the side-by-side Kuromi's. Next time they have a sale, I will be getting the Kuromi's house, but I am not paying $80 for it. This one was half off, so I got it for like around $35, which is amazing deal. So I'm not going to build this right now. I just want to show you my haul. But one day I will be opening this and putting this on display. So very happy to finally have it. Alright, let's start opening the blind boxes. This is a My Melody blind box. This is her in her red hoodie. So it's just little keychains with the heart. I want anything from the red Kuromi collection My Melody, because you don't see her in her red hoodie often enough. So I would like any of the red hooded My Melodies. Alright, let's see what we got, if I can get it open. Oh, it's definitely not red hooded, but looks to be kawaii and cute, of course. And this is for the 50th anniversary for My Melody. We have her, and I think his name is Flat, with some balloons. Her little mouse friend, Flat. Oh, it's Baby My Melody. Oh, this is okay. This one's special. This one's cute. Love. Okay, now here's Kuromi's collection. I like the one where she's with her friend Baku. Those are the ones I want the most. They're all cute, but I prefer the ones where she's with Baku. Okay, let's see what we get. These were on sale for like, I want to say around $4. So that's pretty good. Oh, we got a purple Kuromi. Okay, I really like purple Kuromi too. She's always wearing black. I mean, it's nice to see her in a vibrant purple color. And while she's holding Baku, okay, yes, technically he's here. This is a cute one. And this is for Kuromi's 20th anniversary. So we put them side by side. Cute. Alright, on Black Friday sale, I also got the Galactic Cats, the Hello Kitty and Tokidoki collab. I bought one already before when it first came out, but I didn't want to buy the whole collection because they're kind of expensive. This was on sale for $12. It's normally around $16. I already have My Melody, so anything else would be great. Pachako, of course, and Kropi. Alright, let's see. Oh, it's a dupe, but it's a cute dupe. There she is. And her little bowl of water. It's very cute. It's a cute dupe, but I don't need to. So I'll probably trade this off, but there's her little toy, her cute little hoodie, her bed, and water fountain. Next we have this Hello Kitty phone strap blind box. This was also on sale for around $4. It was normally around $9 or $10. They're all cute. I really want the tan Hello Kitty. I love it. I want one of those. Let's see. Oh, we got the OG Hello Kitty. Nothing wrong with that. I love Hello Kitty, and I do. Very cute. Hopefully next time I'll get the tan Hello Kitty. I don't have enough products with the tan Hello Kitty. Okay, last product is the Miniverse Make It Mini Hello Kitty and Friends collection. Normally this is around $10 and was also on sale for around $5. I would love this Terranium, Hello Kitty Terranium, or anything with my friend Kropi. So let's see. Hopefully I don't get any more cinnamon roll and pom pom because I have enough of them. No dupes. I'll be happy if it's not a dupe. Okay, I can never get this off in one. Oh gosh, where is, there it is. Little. Yeah, it never works for me. 1 second. Okay, finally removed the wrapping. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got another My Melody and Kuromi. I do have one already, but I know there's two pieces, or two different types of pieces there. It could be either, let's see. I already have plenty of these ice cream cones, so I'm hoping for the cake or for the planters. Let's see what I got. There the girls are here. I got the cake. Yes. I don't have this yet, so yes. Got the cake. Here's a little cake stand. And the glaze. I'm making a mess. And then here are the toppings for the cake. Icing. Alright, 1 second. So that's how the cake looks like. I haven't put any resin on there yet, but it's adorable. You put the little icing, one on top and one on the bottom, and then these toppers just clip right in. And then we have some stickers right here that you put along the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and put them on the cake. Okay, there's the Kuromi cake and my melody. And I accidentally put the stickers upside down like a knucklehead. And yeah, that's how it is before I put resin on there. I don't want to put resin on right now because I don't have my, if the sun's down and I don't have my cure. So for now, it'll just stay like this, and it's very cute and I'm happy with it. Okay, so that was everything from my Black Friday Sanrio haul. All of this costs like $100 together, so that I think that was a pretty good deal. This thing alone is worth $70, so I think I got a good deal. I'm very happy with everything I got. Maybe not so much the dupe. It's a good dupe, but I don't need two. My favorite part of this haul was the containers. But the Karopi. This Karopi has my heart. So this was my favorite purchase for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. And I will be sharing more because Christmas is coming. And I finished pretty much all of my Christmas shopping for like my nieces and nephews, my husband, parents, in-laws. So now I'm just gonna have fun and share more with you. Alright, thank you guys for joining me. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.